Hello. Unity Hub is a very powerful tool as far as game development with Unity is concerned. So this helps to manage all your game-related projects. So currently I have just 2 projects created. This helps to manage the different versions of Unity you will ever install on your machine. So currently I have this version installed, 2021.3, and this is actually a stable version. That is the reason why you are seeing this sign, which denote long-term support. So currently the modules that I have installed alongside the version of Unity is WebGL and Windows. Okay, now I do not have Android or iOS module installed, but then if the need arises and I want to install any other module, I can always come here and add more modules. So you can see there is Android build support, so I can just check this. There's iOS build support, I can as well check it and then have it installed. So if for some reason I don't have Microsoft Visual Studio Community installed, I can always install it here. So I can have it checked as well and then click on install to have it installed on my machine, but then I have it installed already, so I don't have to do that. So if you want to install a different version other than what you have here, you can always come here and choose from the versions that are here in the option. So if you have an existing version like what we have here, if for some reason I removed this by mistake, right, coming over here, I can always come here to locate from my system, and then I'll have this option selected, and automatically it's going to bring this back. So I have reinstalled my Unity. Now you cannot use Unity Hub without license. So if you want to activate your license, you can always come over here and then activate your license. But you can see I've added license to this version of Unity Hub, or you can choose to come over here to manage license and also have the license activated. All right, so that is it on this video. So I'll see you guys in the next video.